BatchBee makes it easy to create Etsy digital backdrops. First, we select the project folder and open the dashboard. Then we go to Designs and choose the backdrop bundle. Next, on the Mockups page, we select the backdrop PSD files. Layers like your design here show where the artwork goes, and your title can be filled by AI based on the design. We choose the featured mockup for the Etsy cover. Video mockups are possible, but here we use static mockups and enable repeat mockup generation. Then we choose the backdrop preset and start the automation. This sped up section shows BatchBee creating mockups, uploading files to Google Drive, adding the drive link to the Your Link Here PDF layer, generating AI title, description, and tags, and saving the Etsy listing as a draft. Finally, we review the summary, images, and mockup outputs. Download BatchBee at batch-bee.com.